श्रावण मासी हर्ष मानसी हिरवळ दाटे चोहीकडे क्षणात येते सरसर क्षणात फिरुनी ऊन पडे. This was the poem written by T.B. Thomre, the well-known Marathi poet. While describing the month of Shravan, this month of the rainy season, as the most green and beautiful. The Shravan month is the 5th month of the lunar calendar, wherein one can see the Mother Earth is in full glory of greenery. You visit any place and you will find the lush green grazing lands, the green mountains, and everywhere one can witness greenery. And that is why in Goa and Konkan, this 5th month is considered as the most holy, and many of the festivals people since time immemorial have been organizing during this month. Nag Panchami, Gokul Ashtami, or each day of this month is associated with the god and goddesses. You take the case of Monday, women community will come together and celebrate Shivamurti. They will pay their respect to Lord Shiva. Tuesday is celebrated as the Mangala Gauri. Wednesday also has importance. The Thursday is associated with Lord Dattatreya. The Hindu Trinity comes together and we have God called Dattatreya. The Friday is associated with the goddess Lakshmi, whereas Saturday is associated with the Lord Hanuman. And on Sunday, woman community among non-Brahmin will worship sun as the god, and among the Brahmin community, the main folk will celebrate this festival so that they can enjoy the longevity of life, enjoy the prosperity. So each day in this month has been considered as the holy, and we have different rituals performed on this occasion. The month of the Shravan, one can enjoy the bounty of the nature. The paddies, for example, transform and one can see the pinnacles. And that is why among the Christianity there are places in Goa where people come together to celebrate the feast. Taushache fest, for example, in Tiswadi Taluka, celebrated in honor of the Saint Anne at Santan Bhati. Here the devotees throng from various parts of Goa and they will make offering of the cucumber to the Our Lady. There are families come here and they stand before Our Lady and ask Our Lady to bless them with the son, and the next year you will find the family will come and make offering of the cucumber. So this Taushache fast has been considered as very important in many parts of the Goa. One can see Konsache fest, and Konsache fest, the first pinnacle of the paddy is offered also to the Our Lady. So this is actually the tradition which was prevailing in Goa, wherein the Goan community were making offering to the presiding deity of the village of the first yield of the crop. So this tradition remember us of the gratitude expressing to the Mother Earth. So Mother Earth is very important because she fosters so many things for us, and that is why in order to express our respect we come together and celebrate different festivals. Nari Purnima is the festival of offering coconut to the sea god, and it is the season of beginning of the fishing. Fishing activities are more important in Goa because we have 105-kilometer long coastline. The people here love fish curry rice. However, during the Shravan month, nobody is allowed to eat non-vegetarian food items because during this occasion they think that the diet should be vegetarian. So those who are following feast, observing rituals, they will not eat non-vegetarian food item during the Shravan because they consider Shravan as a holy. So when the nature is in full blossom, everyone want to express the respect to the Mother Earth, and that is why we have the tradition of celebrating different festivals. Take the case of Nag Panchami or Raksha Bandhan or whatever festival rituals which are observed during this month, they all are deeply rooted in our soil, and it is a part of our culture. So culture, as Young and Mack, the well-known sociologists, define it, are the learned and shared behavior. We have different types of the tradition, we have the different types of the custom. All these forms the integral part of our culture, and during the month of the Shravan we can enjoy the different facets of our culture, and that is why the month of the Shravan is very important. And here we assemble together in the temple, we sing the song in praise of the Lord, because Lord is believed to bestow on us the choicest blessing. We believe that the Lord gives us food, water, and that is why we express our gratitude to the Pancha Mahabhutas. And Shravan is the month of expressing our respect to those who are helping us, and when we are facing problem of COVID-19 pandemic, it is our duty to enjoy the festival by following the protocol given to us by World Health Organization and various agencies, because maintaining social distances or wearing of the mask covering our mouth and nose and using the hand wash or using sanitizer will help us to keep away from this pandemic, and that is why we have to follow all rules and regulations prescribed by the health ministry to us, that will make our life cheerful. So let us come together and celebrate the various festivals of month of the Shravan. Let us enjoy the different types of the sweet dishes, different types of the vegetarian dishes that will make our life happy, and we will get more nutritional values.